If this blower motor come on. If it don't, it ain't gonna need a new blower motor and a new capacitor. So let's do it. We got the cap on. Let's turn this thing on. My bad. That blower should have turned on though. And it didn't. Let that heat exchanger get hot. You said, huh? Yes, sir. So the heat, so when the gas go through, this heats up the heat exchanger. Then the fan turn on. Then you get your hot air. And voila, fan cut on. He got action. All right, sir. Yeah, that's it. You all good to go. You just had a bad capacitor.